Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see now, we have our live trade on taking on this particular move, which is our GainX 1-2. You can see this is how to make a profit on it. So I told you guys that this is another set of indicator on this particular chart. So I told you guys that we have our trend move on the charts. We have our not reprint indicator first one, and we have our not reprint indicator second one. You see, this indicator does not reprint. Once they are out, they are on the move. So we can see now currently that we have our move at this particular area. So that is why I'm making the video so that you guys can see how to make use of this indicator. So I told you guys that once we have the trend of the market for uptrend and we have our resistance level, so what we are waiting for is to see our not reprint indicator appear. This is the first not reprint indicator that appear on the chart. So you have used this particular move to confirm the trend of the market, that the trend is going on a uptrend. Now the second thing that you need to do is to be taking your uptrend move for all not reprint indicator. You can see this is the arrow that I asked you to be taking. You can see this is a massive uptrend on the move, and this is the first one, but this has not yet confirmed it before it's out. So our opportunity first at this move is this particular one, and you can see once it's out, then you begin to take a not reprint indicator, the second one for uptrend, and we can see this is where all of the, you can see how massive it goes. So and that exactly, so you can see that's the first one. The first one end at this particular area because I asked you to follow the histograph. It end here, and also the second one started from this particular move. You can see this, it started from this particular move and it ended at this particular move. And now currently now we are having another downtrend in the move, and we have our arrow candle on the move. So you can see that it has changed from this histograph to the red histograph. So this gives me a confirmation that every red candle that I see on the charts, when this histograph is still on red, is what I'm going to be taking, and that's exactly why I enter for sell opportunity at this particular level. So I'm going to be taking it until this histograph change in color. So let's go and check for more updates on. You can see this is another opportunity for us to take. We have the downtrend move here, and we have our support level area here, and we have our arrow indicator signal here. You can see it changed from this to this. So this tells us that every red signal that we see, which is on our second not reprint indicator, is what we are going to be taking. Don't forget, this is GainX 1002, which is on 5 minutes. So you can see it go on a massive downtrend until we have the end for our histogram here. So you are going to be closing your trade around somewhere at this particular area. So this indicator is working massively. You see, this is another opportunity. You have your support level, you have your resistance level, you have your trend in the move, and you have your arrow indicator appear here. So you already know that it has changed from red histograph to blue histograph. Now any arrow candle that give us a uptrend is what you are going to be taking. You can see this is the first opportunity, and you can see how massive it goes. So we can take our profit level from this particular one, or you decided to have enough capital profit here and you can take your close. You can close your trade and wait for another opportunity to move in the market. So we have another one here. You can see is at this particular area is where it's showing us a histograph of it, and we are going to be taking any trend moving towards that direction for downtrend. You can see for downtrend. So if we lost our first opportunity, then this is our second opportunity because it's still on the histograph of red, and we can still have it at the downtrend move at this particular area. So our closing entry is going to be around somewhere like this, somewhere here. So you can see it's a lot of opportunity in the market throughout the day. You can see this is another move. We have our resistance level, our trend in the move, and we have opportunities at this particular area. So this shows to us that we should be taking every uptrend in the month. You can see this is the first uptrend we see, And if we are going to be taking that and follow our histograph until we are closing it, so we are going to be closing our entry around this area, you can see. So this perfect indicator is very boomy, guys. It's making a lot of cool weight. So also you can see our profit is still ongoing. And also, for you to get this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to reach out to us on our Telegram, and you are going to get this indicator. But this indicator is not for free. These indicators and the settings is not for free. Thanks, guys. See you guys in our next video.